Yeah. So I will have a short interview with you. Okay, I will have a short interview with you. I will ask you the same questions.
Say, okay, mom.
Yes. So can you simple introduce yourself?
Okay, ma'am. I'm Cynthia Aguilar Molina, 45 years old, married, currently here in the Philippines. I'm college graduate. I took up Bachelor of Science in Commerce, major in Finance and Management Accounting. Before I work in Saudi Arabia, I take care of an 84-year-old bedridden patient. I do bath, bedding here 5 times a day until midnight, and administer her medicine and vitamins. Always check her blood pressure and blood sugar every 4 hours, and is sanitize all their things, all her belongings, and maintain personal hygiene. And after that, I work in Saudi Arabia. I took care 2 children, age 2 years old and 10 years old. I do household chore, cooking and car washing. And after that, I work here in Philippines
Mm,
for 1 year and 7 months. I took care 77-year-old elderly. And then now, same what I'm doing in 84-year-old bedridden patient. And now I currently took care an 8-month-old baby. I fed her, feeding, feeding bottle milk, but giving her his vitamins and medicine if he's sick. And I play with him. I going I do sleep him into with with singing I sleep baby. And after that, and now mom, I want to apply in Hong Kong because I want to support my education of my kids, to finish them, and especially with their need, if their prior needs.
mm. Okay, thank you so much. So
As
how long you want to stay to work in Hong Kong?
4 years to 10 years, ma'am, until my children finish college.
Very good.
And
So that's
I
mean you.
ma'am, having my own house, because
Mm,
until I don't have an own and my very own house.
mm, okay. Also want to know that could you mind to share a room with the children or the elderly?
Yes, ma'am.
Mm, okay. So if your rest day is not on Sunday, is that okay to you too?
Yes, ma'am. It's okay for me, ma'am.
Mm. Also, do you have any friends or cousin who working in Hong Kong right now?
I have a best friend, ma'am, working in Hong Kong for 5 years now, and also my sister working over there. She's going 1 year this coming February.
Mm, very good. So if they want you to hang out with you on Sunday, so is that still okay to you if your rest day is not on Sunday?
It's okay for me, ma'am.
Mm, very good. So, do you like cooking?
Yes, ma'am. I love cooking, but I I just want to learn how to cook Chinese food. I'm
Mm,
very much learner, ma'am, how to know cooking in Chinese.
Mm, okay, you can learn it. So
Yes,
I will
ma'am.
ask you some questions about children.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, so if the children is crying outside and want you to buy some candies or chocolate to them, but the employer said no, you can't buy them. So what will you do?
I do stay calm with the kids and distract from that candies and get another distraction from the kids, and I do play with the kids and play with them. And sweet food, ma'am, isn't good for the kids. That's why maybe when they already eat that sweet foods, maybe they can eat the food that's more healthy for them.
Very good. Yeah, just let them not forget and eat some healthy food.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, very good. So if the children do not want to go to the activity class, so what will you do?
Pardon, ma'am?
If the children do not want to go to the activity class, what will you do?
Okay, ma'am. I do explain to her that she needs going to school because every children they going to school to learn what they can do from kids going to older. And
Mm, yeah, explain to them why it's good to them. Also want to also you can tell them, maybe we can go to the park after the school.
yes, ma'am.
Let's go out when we finish the class. So maybe they will want to go with you. Yeah, very
Yes, ma'am.
good.
I explained to the kids that you're going to school, and after school we're going to park and do play with them.
Mm, yeah, very good. So if the children suddenly have high temperature, they got fever, but you keep calling the employer but no answers. So what will you do?
I I stay calm myself and also the kids. That's why I put first aid. I get warm water and a towel. So I just wipe her all over the body, and I put here head the towel with warm water, ma'am.
Very good. The most important is their safety, so you do the
Yes,
first aid
ma'am.
first, and then you can bring them to the nearest hospital and keep
Yes,
calling the
ma'am.
employer. Yeah, very
Okay.
good. Very good. So, if you are cooking lunch, suddenly the children start crying, so what will you do?
I do stop my cooking, ma'am, and I just stop cooking and off the stove. So I go first for the kids to stay calm and bring them how to bring there's something toys that they can stop how to cry and
Yeah,
gives
yeah, very good. Very good. Because the safety,
yes, ma'am.
yeah, is very important. Yeah. So, uh, you can just stop and then go to the children.
Yes, ma'am.
Mm, yeah, very good. So, I also want to know that if you smell a smoke in the house, but you can't see the fire, so what will you do?
I bring the kids outside and I call some help outside if I see some one person over outside. So and then after that, ma'am, I go to the nearest what they call this
As you say, you will go to the safety place, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Eh,
No, wait,
yeah.
I'm not. Yes, ma'am.
Mm, okay. So, if you accidentally break your employer glass cup, so what will you do?
Yes, ma'am.
You
Pardon, ma'am.
you break your employer glass cup, what will you do?
I I asked them permission that I do break the glass, so I say sorry and apologize that I have again I'm doing a mistake, so that's why I do that, ma'am. Say sorry, ma'am, and apologize that I never do that again. I be careful.
Mm, okay, very good. Yeah, also want to know that do you have any experience of take care about newborn baby?
Yes, ma'am. I do take care a newborn baby because when I'm giving birth to my own children, I do take care of them from giving birth to until they grow, ma'am.
Very good. So I believe that you know how to uh change the diapers, feed them, and have a bath with the baby.
Yes, ma'am.
So
Yes, ma'am.
I want to ask you, so if you hang out with the baby, so what item you will pack in your bag?
Bottle fed, milk, clothes, diapers, and personal hygiene for the babies, ma'am.
Mm, very good. So do you know how to burping?
Ma'am?
Do you know how to burping?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you simply tell me what will you do?
I just caring like this, mom, and singing for a baby sleeping, like you are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy. I stay calm. Yes,
Mm,
like that, ma'am.
yeah, very good. Thank you so much.
You're
So,
welcome.
mm, so also want to know that if the children is in the bathroom and ask for the towel, and the same moment the grandparents is arrived home and carry some heavy things, so what will you do?
I told to my employer that the things that they had carried, I just told them to put it there inside the car or inside and under outside the door, because I told them that I only go first to their kids because they having a bath, so I do take care of them first before I get the things that bringing by my employer, ma'am.
Mm, very good. Thank you so much. So that's all the questions I want to ask you. So at the end,
Thank you,
do you
ma'am.
have anything you want to say to your future employer?
To my future employer, I thank you. I hope and pray that you can hire me. I do promise to finish my contract with you, and as long as you need me, I do well my work, and I respect privacy and follow regulation carefully. And thank you for considering my applications. And I am hardworking, fast learner, proactive, honest, kind, polite, trustworthy, and with dedication to work and hardworking mom.
Mm,
Thank you and blessed day.
mm. Okay, thank you so much. So I hope to see you soon in Hong Kong. Thank you for your time.
Thank you very much, ma'am. And God bless too.
Okay.